Hello, people. Just got back from church. Um, want you to expressly pray for my son who is trying to get here from Abu Dhabi. They've got to go to the Dubai airport, and the Dubai airport has had some drone attacks. Um, he just mailed me an insurance thing that they took out in case something happens to them. Which I just pray for their safety. And I'm asking all of you who pray to pray for their safety as they travel from the Middle East to here. They're just here for a couple of weeks to visit since Richard's been ill. They wanted to make sure and come and see him because when they get over there, it's hard to get back. It costs a lot of money to travel. It costs them like $6,000 for the tickets. So when they come here, I've hired an Airbnb for them to stay in so that they aren't stuck with all of the expense, which we were originally planning to go there and visit them, and I'm just using that money to help them out. So please pray for their safety. They'll probably leave tonight Central Time in the US. Over there, it'll be morning on Monday. And the way the time gets, they should get here late at night on Monday. It's like a 21-hour flight, but the time difference is weird, so they'll get here the same day they left. But I really am looking forward to visiting with them. I haven't seen their baby Haraya yet, and she's almost 6 months old, and Makata, he FaceTimes with me, and he's such a cutie. And he's enthralled with his Uncle Jacob, who is also coming, I think, Friday. So please, people, I know there's a bunch of you that pray, and I just really pray for the safety for their safety as they travel, and for all Americans, all people's safety. There's lots of people in Iran that are perfectly innocent and all the stuff that's going on, and they want their country back. They used to be a wonderful country before the Ayatollah came over and made things very difficult for people. So anyway, enough of the politics. I rather just stay out of the politics part of it. But prayer for peace in the Middle East, prayer for safety for my son Joel and his wife Catalina. I just thank you so much for the prayers and the encouragement that I've got from some of you. So thanks, and God be with you on this Sunday.